Hello friends, in this video I'll be talking about why guanidines are strongly basic, what's the reason. Even though the lone pair of these nitrogens is involved in resonance form, despite of that the guanidines are more basic because we have a pi donation from two NH2 groups towards this NH, and this NH is more basic because of this pi donation from two NH2 groups. That's the reason guanidines are more basic than amides and other functionalities having pKa value of 13.6. I hope this explained why guanidines are more basic. It's very simple and very clear. Because of these two nitrogen atoms, two NH2 groups, which are acting as a pi donors, which are donating their electrons through resonance forms and providing a negative charge to this nitrogen, hence making this nitrogen more negative, more basic. Please subscribe this channel for more amazing videos. See you, bye.